Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to another kind of Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go. Great, now the wind picked up. Now you know my Mazda, what it is, how it is, and whatever it is. And you read the title correctly. It needs a little bit of a love, a little bit of attention. You can see in the camera it doesn't look that bad. As you can see, the car needs attention, it needs detailing. So we're gonna detail the car. Now let's start with snow foam, turtle wax snow foam. Shampoo obviously in the lands for the solution in the water right there. This is a wash mitten, detailing brush, and that's a guard. There's a guard so all the things can fall, and it's in a Maguire's Ultimate Care bucket. Snow foam, this ceramic wash and wax from Turtle Wax. It's what's inside. Few cups of these in there. I will use the Turtle Wax wheel cleaner, insect remover for turds and everything else. Then we'll use Seal and Shine, Turtle Wax obviously, sealant wax, and at the very end I will use the Turtle Wax wet and black tire dressing. Wheel brushes inside for the rubber itself, for the wheel face. This one looks in a sad situation. Karcher K3 power control with a hose lock extension that goes inside for the water supply. Now it's time to dry this baby. Obviously, these are special cloths to dry it. And these are finishing cloths. So we go on and start drying it. If you think you do that right away, you aren't a Mazda owner, because you know very well. If you're a Mazda driver, you know what's up. These hold on water, so we need to go drive a little bit, and we need to move it out of the way. So you can see, sun is shining on the car. That's not good. If you look at the mirror, you'll see once I accelerate, water will come out, and once I brake, it will go in and come out again. Look, I'll go in the reverse and brake. See how much actually came out. So you can see, here is still puddling, see? A puddle. If you don't drive around, it will stay there, it will stay more. So now we can actually dry it. Now we go over with this and feel where it's smooth and where it's rough. Literally, the drying cloth should glide over the paint. See, it sticks there because it's still wet. See, it sticks there because it's wet, it's not fully dry. I don't know about you, but that looks like somebody keyed my car. And you know, my car is keyless entry, so I don't have a key. If I would have a key, I'll use it here, not here. So we have some asshole, because it's right here. See, when you wash your car and dry your car, you notice imperfections. Like the ones I didn't know, that's new. Like, this scratch was there. These two dots, which are deep, was not there before I washed it. Somebody dented it with, looks like a door or any... Oh, maybe it's the airport. Maybe it's the airport. Because it's a dent here. Once you look in the car, this does stick out. Bastards. Yeah, it's all clean. So you can see it's shiny, clean, and it's ready for winter. Because if it's raining and it's all the salt and everything else, then this needs to be, and you saw already on the bonnet, the water wasn't beading off, it was just staying there. So it means it lost lots of wax already on it. Now it has wax, it has protection. I don't have to worry about for 2 months. I don't have to worry about this. I can just give it the shampoo what I'm using, and it will just pop it up a little bit. It's not forever, but better than nothing. Now it's all done. It's getting kind of dark as it's almost winter time. Now let me tell you right away why I have so many Turtle brand products, like the car products. They are the only two that still is around from my childhood. From my childhood, it means that company still exists. That means they're making good products, and that means people are buying it. Am I sponsored by them? No. Would I want to be sponsored by them? You know, don't really care. So I'm gonna buy the turtle products of that company. I will still buy those products if they sponsor me or not. For me, it doesn't change anything. Am I a fan of them? You could say that, but I won't force you to buy any of them. If you don't like them, don't buy them. If you like them, buy them. Because in UK, right here, a lot of times they are for a good discount. Once you look like the brand ones, which is like from famous guys or some famous people on the bottle, and Turtle Beach, you're like, ooh, Turtle Beach, those are headphones. The Turtle brand is like, hope you like this video, hope I managed to edit it somehow good. Even with my messy hair, I know how my hair looks like. It's a mess because I jumped out of the bed and I looked outside the window and it's like, yes, it's time. Finally, the weather is sunny and it's all good. Hope you like this, and I'll see you in the next one. And the reason why my wheels are curved. That ain't right.